What up, good people? Huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2024 Hyundai Sonata. Today we're introducing a 2024 Hyundai Sonata, draped in a sophisticated Ponafita gray, with an impressive dimension 193 inches in length, 56 inches in height, and a substantial wheelbase of 111 inches. This vehicle set a new standard for elegance and performance. Get ready to redefine your driving experience. The Sonata embodies the perfect fusion of sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and a luxurious comfort, setting the benchmark in sedan driving experience. Hyundai truly redefined the art of driving. Also, this have an MSRP of $30,000. Under the hood, the Sonata packs a punch with its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 191 horses for the torque 181 at 4,000 RPM. This power propels you from 0 to 60 in just 7.1 seconds, reaching a top speed of 140 miles per hour. Enjoy an impressive fuel efficiency with 27 mpg in the city, 37 mpg on the highway. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with gray leather seats. Right here we're looking at a 12.3-inch digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have your current trip display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your trip, settings, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your follow assist alongside your menu button. Looking on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside mode with your plus and minus pedal shifters. The buttons right here are your interior dim with your traction control alongside your electronic parking with your trunk release. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have a collet mounted shift lever. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Blue Link. You have your traditional backup camera. Looking down from the radio, you have your traditional radio shortcuts with your hazard light. You have your dual climate control. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlets alongside your 12-volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS safety connect alongside your Blue Link. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are greeted with more gray leather seats. The passenger had 2 Type-C outlets in the back of the vehicle. We then made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 15.6 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty deep. Once again, huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2024 Hyundai Sonata. If you need any information about it, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.